Hello friends, in this video we will speak or discuss about the Six Sigma. Six Sigma, as you know, it is very powerful technique, especially used in improving the quality of the product and reducing the rejections. Basically, defects are reduced in Six Sigma technique, and these are reduced to very less, say, very greater level or very less in quantity. That is, only 3.4 defects are there per million opportunities. Means out of 10 lakhs you can say 3.4 parts are rejected. Now since it is a result of mathematics, it has been given number like fraction 3.4. We can treat 3 or 4 doesn't make much difference. Now the technique uses the term Dpmo, defects per million opportunities. Means what? 3.4 Dpmo means 3.4 opportunities out of 10 lakh. If you have been given opportunities to spoil any product, I am repeating, to spoil any product by 10 lakh ways, 10 lakh opportunities you have been given. Out of that, how much opportunities you will grab? So it is 3.4. Again, 3 or 4 doesn't make difference. So it is different concept that you have to learn through mathematics. We'll learn in some another video, but in short here we'll understand what is meant by Six Sigma. So it is a management technique to reduce variation in all the critical processes to achieve continuous improvement. So number of techniques will be there in Six Sigma, number of tools you will use, like I will talk about continuous improvement. Means Kaizen is there, then you can have brainstorming there, you can have control charts there, you can have 7QC tools there, you can have failure mode and effect analysis there. So you have to use number of techniques in order to improve the Six Sigma. Of course, technique depends upon products and combination of the products. You can use one technique or number of techniques. Uh, there are basically 4 or 5 steps of Six Sigma. It is commonly known as Dmag: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Why I am saying 4 or 5? Generally, few say quality control consultants, they were giving only 4 steps like measure, analyze, improve, and control. Few have added one more step, that is define. Hence, it will be Dmag approach. So define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Define means you have to define the process, because in industry there are number of products and processes. You have to select the one which is most important, most critical to the organization. So it is define the process or define the project. They say project in that way. Then measure. You have to measure the defects, measure the rejection in short, and for that you have to use the proper techniques, etc., calibrated instruments. Then analyze. You have to analyze in the sense uh, where are the rejections are more due to which causes. Hmm? So there are key process input variable, there are key process output variable, and you have to identify which are the most important causes, which are causing more defects. So you have to identify. So that is analyze. Once you identify the causes, you have to take action over that, and for that various tools like SPC, statistical control, process control, design of experiments, these are useful. So these are uh, improvement techniques. And control. Just only in a one time improvement is not sufficient. You have to control that, and for that you have to monitor the process continuously and draw the control charts and see that implemented process is in control or not. So that is in short Six Sigma philosophy. There are number of benefits of Six Sigma. Implementing Six Sigma. Implementation of Six Sigma generally doesn't require large resources like new machines or new employees, new operators. It is not required. Whatever existing machines are there, whatever existing operators are there, you have to train them in the methodology so that you get the rejection defect free products. Now, what are the advantages? You get say improved process, then no rejections, so no warranty returns. So you achieve the say major market base due to your reputation in the market. You get reduced cycle time of the product. You have say higher satisfaction of the customer as well as employees. You get higher productivity. Number of benefits are there. See, direct and indirect, there are number of benefits are there. For implementing Six Sigma, you have to focus on the customer. It is customer based technique. So first you have to keep in the focus customer, its need, and then uh, design the product accordingly. It is a fast driven process, but it requires say much time for training. If you get thorough training in all the phases, then you can get expert in the Six Sigma. Generally, the persons who are implementing Six Sigma are termed as belts, like green belt, black belt, etc. Um, why belt? This terminology used because in black belts or karate, you are attacking the opponent or competitor. Here you are attacking on the variation, so that terminology is used. So at the bottom level there are green belts, then black belt who is handling the project. Above that there is a master black belt who is handling 3 4 black belts in indirectly, that is 3 4 projects he is handling. And then above that there is a champion. So uh, that is the way how which Six Sigma processes are say driven. And all the world class companies are supposed to be Six Sigma. Like Six Sigma was developed by Motorola in 1981 to 1990. That technique was developed when Motorola's products were supposed to be junk or inferior in quality. Then Six Sigma technique was developed. Later on, it was used by many companies like GE, uh, Hero, and number of other companies. Nowadays, it has been practiced in almost many multinational companies so as to improve the quality of their product and reduce the rejection. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you like it. Thank you.